Hello, in front of me I've got FORD Focus. In this video I'll show you how to enter and manage map. In the beginning, let's go to navigation from homepage. Tap OK, and now you can navigate from map via finger. You can go to search, and you can go to menu. In the menu, you can change screen view, manage traffic list, navigation settings, check where you are, previous destination favorites, and more. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment, and subscribe.